2 years of hiatus, finally we have a partner forum in India. We want to do it outside of the main city of India and take them away and come to Goa. I mean, it's a nice city, it's a nice resort. It's the best time for us to bring all our partners together and interact. We're going to use this 2-day session to share with our partners our strategy for Asia Pacific and Japan around Oracle, as well as our partner ecosystem strategy. But more importantly is to thank our partners for their contribution, for the support, for the partnership for the last 2 years in this very, very difficult time of pandemic. Our partners have shown resilience together with our Oracle to help our customer weather through this difficult time. So it's time for us to get together, share ideas, train, interact, and have meetings and to really catch up on the times we have been away from each other during the pandemic.
So first of all, I'm very excited to be in Goa, to be able to meet our partners. Last few years, couple of years have been very difficult for all of us. And you know, Zoom can do only so much, so I'm very, very happy to be in Goa. So my 2 to 3 key takeaways from the conference are: first, India is a very, very vibrant economy. The GDP is growing at 7 to 8%. There are very few economies in the world that are growing at that pace of 7 to 8%. The other takeaway from me is partners are leveraging cloud to solve very complex customer problems, which is a huge takeaway. And third, you know, partners are willing to invest and innovate, to help customers through their journey to differentiate themselves from their competitors. So I think these are the 3 things that I feel are differentiated and my key takeaways.
Yeah. A digital first world will mean that there will be a lot of consumption and utility model of IT. That means subscription and consumption model will be the mainstream. The partner ecosystem will evolve from resell, distribution, to influence and advisory, to even sell before or transformational selling. And all this will be part of the entire ecosystem. And to unlock ecosystem will mean we need to have 4 key. Number 1, customer centricity. Number 2 is about the profitability of the business model. Number 3 is about the skills. And number 4, it's all about trust.
We have over 3,000 partners in Asia Pacific and more than 500 partners in India. And it's a good combination. We've got ISVs who build applications on Oracle platform. We've got SIs who deploy solutions for SaaS and OCI for our customers. We've got CSPs who not only do the implementation, deployment of solution, but also manage the infrastructure, the application infrastructure for the customers. And we've got cloud native partners. These are young, nimble organizations who only know cloud and work only in cloud. And we're working with all these partner segments across Asia Pacific and in India. So very, very happy and very, very excited to be working with these partners.
Yeah. A digital first world will mean that there will be a lot of consumption and utility model of IT. That means subscription and consumption model will be the mainstream. The partner ecosystem will evolve from resell, distribution, to influence and advisory, to even sell before or transformational selling. And all this will be part of the entire ecosystem. And to unlock ecosystem will mean we need to have 4 key. Number 1, customer centricity. Number 2 is about the profitability of the business model. Number 3 is about the skills. And number 4, it's all about trust. The partner and ask them one question, that is, what does it take to be your partner of choice? And the answer unanimously is around four things. It's around customer, it's around profit, it's around skills, and it's around trust. And let me unpack this in more detail. Customer centricity is important to put customer in the center of everything we do. That means knowing the customer's journey. In a digital first world, the customer are under pressure to take down costs and to exit data center. However, they're also heavily invested in legacy technology. Our role is to help understand their customer journey, which part of the journey they are in their transformation, and help them through this. And this is an important role that our partner will play. Next, about the profitability of the business model. The channel's economic has changed drastically. Right? We want to know what the partner is selling in terms of the product we're offering. But more importantly, we want to know what additional service and value add they are getting from selling our products. We know that if they are selling software and cloud, there will be a multiplier. For every $1 they sell for, they will get $6 of additional services revenue attached to Oracle product. The third thing, it's around skill. Government as well as enterprises know that partners with the skills will help them transform more successfully. And therefore we are spending a lot of time as well as investing a lot of resources to help train our partner with the latest technology to help customers solve their problems. And finally, it's about trust. And trust is all about being partner first. That we win with partner and don't compete with partner. Right? In this way, we want to ensure that our partners is the one hand to shake with the customer, and will embrace as well as empower them to represent Oracle to the fullest.
Customer is in the center of everything that we do. From a partner readiness perspective, there are three things that we work on: partner competency, partner capability, and partner capacity. So we are investing heavily in partner certifications in the area of sales, in the area of pre-sales, and implementation, both for SaaS and OCI. So we have a service delivery expert program as part of OPN. And what we do in that is we make sure that the partner achieves a certain level of expertise working with us and has certified architects, certified implementation specialists, support engineers, and 2 customer successes, so that the partner can demonstrate that they've done this and they're able to take the customer to a successful outcome.